Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Karen Explodes After Police Deny Her Complaint by Midwest Safe. A lovely neighbor to have. Spouse, mom, grandmother, friend. Equivalent of somebody getting arrested and sent to jail and they said, I ain't do the crime. And they got them on video. Trespass from the police department. How? Do you do some shit? How do you pull that off? Like, really? Like, how? You are so annoying that the police department doesn't want nothing to do with you. Like, so if you get arrested for a crime, do you break the law because you got to go? That is crazy. A public defender.
Attorney filed a motion to being held at a
she got on the judge nerve that much? Shit.
State facility, and she is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. See you guys at the next video premiere right after this one. And that's it, baby. We out.